Do you want to know how you can send money using Remitly? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can send money using Remitly. Go ahead and open Remitly, which is on your phone. If you don't have Remitly, you can download and install it from the Play Store and you can sign up to your account. After you sign into your account, you can see this type of interface. To start to send money, click on Send, which you can see on the middle of your screen. After that, you must enter the amount. You can see that you have currently selected AUD and it will be sent into Euro. So you can see the transaction amount and you can see the receiver's amount as well. So there are two types of delivery speed, Express and Economy. You can choose it. You can pay using Express with the debit or credit card, and the Economy will give you the option of pay with bank. So you can choose any of these and you can see the fee discount as well. So after that, you can see the apply offer code as well. If you do have an offer code, you can enter it here. If you don't have it, just go ahead and click continue. After you select continue, what you can do is select the delivery method. The options are bank deposit and card deposit. You can choose any of this. You can see some of the banks available. You can select your bank over here. After you do so, write down your card details number and click continue. If your bank account exists, it will open up. You can write down your CVV and the OTP code will come to your phone. Go ahead and write down your phone number. Or else you want to use your debit card number, you can choose this. Go ahead and write down your card number, click continue, and the next step is to write down the receiver's bank account number. Go ahead and write that, go ahead and click continue, and you can confirm the receiver and you can click continue to send money. So guys, this is how easily you can send money using Remitly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.